In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted tracks in Suno AI. Whether you've unintentionally erased a valuable audio project or simply want to revisit something you worked on before, this simple guide will walk you through the steps necessary to bring your projects back to life. Let's dive in. The first step is to log into your Suno AI account. Once you've entered your credentials and are successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all your projects and access different features of Suno AI. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. Moving on, you'll want to navigate to the section where deleted projects are stored. Depending on the version of the Suno AI you are using, this might be labeled as trash or deleted projects. It's designed to be a safety net for users storing projects that have been deleted from the main library. This feature is especially helpful if you accidentally delete something important, as it offers a second chance to retrieve your work. Once you're in the deleted section, you'll see a list of all the projects that have been removed. Browse through this list to locate the specific audio track or project you're interested in recovering. If you have many items stored here, you may need to scroll or use any available sorting options to find what you're looking for. After identifying the track you wish to restore, simply click on it. This action should highlight the file or give you more details about it, ensuring that you have the correct project in sight. Once you're certain, look for a button or link labeled Restore or Recover. Clicking this will initiate the recovery process. It's a straightforward task, but crucial for reviving your deleted project. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to restore the selected track. This is simply an extra step to prevent accidental recoveries. Confirm your action by clicking the relevant button provided on the prompt. This will transfer the deleted track back into your main library, mirroring its original state prior to deletion. The final step is to verify that your project has been successfully restored. Head over to your main project library and search for the track you just recovered. You should find it there, ready to be edited, played, or exported as needed. Take a moment to confirm all components are intact and functioning as expected. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to effortlessly recover deleted tracks in Suno AI, ensuring that your creative work remains accessible whenever you need it. Thank you for watching and happy creating.